By an AI in a process-based manufacturing unit, stage by stage. Let's delve deeper into how business intelligence, by, and artificial intelligence, AI, can be applied at each stage of a process-based manufacturing unit. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Book for your library. Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud. 1. Customer order and production planning. By, analyze historical sales data, by, to forecast demand and optimize production schedules. Identify trends in customer preferences to inform product development. AI, utilize machine learning, a type of AI, to predict future demand patterns and optimize inventory levels. AI can also recommend optimal production schedules based on real-time data and resource availability. 2. Production orders and departmental coordination. By, track production order progress in real time using BI dashboards. Identify bottlenecks and delays in production to improve efficiency. AI can automate tasks like generating production orders and scheduling deliveries based on predefined rules. Analyze data from various departments, engineering, purchasing, to identify potential issues and suggest solutions. 3. Raw material receiving and production. By, analyze data on raw material usage to identify areas for waste reduction. Track equipment performance, by, to predict maintenance needs and prevent downtime. AI, implement AI-powered predictive maintenance to avoid equipment failures. AI can also be used for real-time quality control, analyzing sensor data to identify defective products early in the production line. 4. Finished products and shipping. By, analyze data on finished product shipments to identify logistical inefficiencies. Track on-time delivery rates, by, to improve customer satisfaction. AI, optimize shipping routes and schedules using AI algorithms. AI can also predict potential delays in the supply chain and suggest alternative solutions. 5. Customer feedback and process improvement. By, gather and analyze customer feedback, by, to identify areas for product improvement. Track product performance data to identify potential safety hazards or warranty issues. AI, utilize natural language processing, NLP, a type of AI, to analyze customer reviews and social media sentiment to understand customer needs and preferences. AI can also analyze production data to identify root causes of quality issues and suggest process improvements. By integrating BI and AI throughout the manufacturing process, companies can gain valuable insights, improve efficiency, optimize resource allocation, and ultimately achieve greater profitability. Developing BI and AI capabilities requires a multifaceted approach. Here's a breakdown of the key steps involved. Business intelligence, BI. 1. Define your needs, identify the specific business questions you want BI to answer. What data do you need to collect and analyze? What kind of reports and visualizations will be most helpful? 2. Data collection and integration, gather data from various sources like CRM, ERP systems, and production machines. Ensure data quality through cleaning and standardization processes. 3. Data warehouse and data lake construction, build a central repository, data warehouse, for structured data used for BI reporting. Consider a data lake for storing all raw data, structured and unstructured, for broader data exploration. 4. BI tools and technologies, choose BI tools that align with your needs and budget. Popular options include Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, and ClickView. These tools help analyze data, create reports, and build dashboards. 5. User training and adoption, train employees on how to use BI tools and interpret the data effectively. Encourage a data-driven culture within your organization. Artificial intelligence, AI. 1. Identify AI applications, pinpoint specific tasks or processes in your manufacturing unit that can benefit from AI automation or improved decision-making through AI insights. 2. Data preparation, ensure high-quality data for training AI models. Clean, label, and format data appropriately for the chosen AI application. 3. Choose AI techniques, select suitable AI techniques based on your needs. Machine learning for forecasting or anomaly detection, computer vision for quality control, or natural language processing for customer feedback analysis are some possibilities. For model development and training, develop AI models using specialized software libraries, TensorFlow, PyTorch, or cloud-based AI platforms, AWS SageMaker, Google AI Platform. Train the models on your prepared data. 5. Model deployment and monitoring. Deploy the trained models into your production environment. Monitor the model's performance and retrain it periodically with fresh data to maintain accuracy. Additional considerations. Security and privacy. Implement robust security measures to protect sensitive data used in BI and AI systems. Ensure compliance with data privacy. IT infrastructure. Ensure your IT infrastructure has the processing power and storage capacity to handle large data volumes used in BI and AI. Consider cloud-based solutions for scalability. Expertise. Building in-house expertise in data science and AI development can be expensive. Consider partnering with data science consultancies or leveraging cloud platforms with pre-built AI services. Developing BI and AI capabilities is a continuous process. As you gain experience and your data grows, you can refine your approach and explore new applications for these powerful tools. Thank you.